This will be a party to remember. With extra bass, the GTK-XB72 speaker from Sony adds power to bass lines for deep, punchy bass you can really feel. The multicolour lights sync to the beat and are fully customizable, so you can create the perfect atmosphere anytime. Run the party from the dance floor with the Sony Music Center app. And when you really want to impress your guests, fire up the Fiestable plugin to unlock more party features. You can even connect multiple speakers wirelessly, building a party chain of synchronized sound and lighting. Create the ultimate party experience with the XB72 from Sony.